In this video, I'm going to show you how to add columns in Elementor. Start by opening the Elementor editor. Suppose you want to create multiple columns in a section. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first method is by selecting a layout directly. Simply click on the plus icon in the area where you want to add columns, then choose Flexbox. From there, you can pick a layout that includes 2, 4, or even more columns depending on your needs. If you prefer to build from scratch and customize everything, you can also drag and drop a container from the left-hand panel into the section of your page. By default, this creates a single section. To start dividing it into columns, right-click on the section and choose Add New Container. This adds your first container inside the section. To add more, you will need to configure the settings so that each new container aligns properly as a column. Click the Edit icon of the section, then look on the left-hand side menu and scroll until you find the option labeled Direction. Set the direction either from left to right or right to left, depending on how you want your columns to appear. Once this setting is in place, you can continue right-clicking on the section and adding as many containers as you need, with each container acting as a new column. You can also customize the width of each container individually. For example, you may want one column to be larger than the others. Simply select the container and adjust its length or width relative to the others. After that, you can begin adding your desired elements, such as text, images, or headings, into each column. All of these elements will align evenly with each other, moving side by side as intended, and that is how you can add columns in Elementor.